What is up everyone, welcome to a new video, and in today's video we're looking at what happens when your EE box decides to break, crash, and you need to get a replacement, as they call it, a technical replacement. So they basically send you out a whole new box, but it is not like when you first get it, it is in a different sort of style of a box. Anyhow, so when you first get it, what you need to do is call up EE, tell them there's something wrong with your box, and they will send you out a new one. New customers I don't think can get EE TV anymore, that I'm aware of, because they're phasing it out and they're keeping the Apple TV boxes from now on. They're not giving people these boxes, from what I was told by customer care. Anyhow, let's see what you get with a replacement box. It is sleeved, so let me just take this sleeve off. God, these sleeves are really on there. Basically just the EE TV sleeve. Welcome to EE TV quick guide. And inside it should be just like as when you get a brand new one. Welcome to your EE TV. I'll just put that there in case you guys want to look at that. And there is a box, but it's got no cellophane on it because it's a refurbished box by the sounds of it. And so I've compared this box to my original box, which is in the living room. This one does feel heavier than the one I've got. I don't know why it does, but it just feels a lot more heavier. But everything at the back, as you can see, is there. You've got your aerial in, aerial out, your digital out, Ethernet in, left and right audio, HDMI. I believe this is SCART. I'm not too sure if that is or not. Anyone who may know could comment down below. So USB there, but that's mainly for firmware and for the factory and things. And your DC in. And under the box, it just has the usual manufacturer and things like that. Under here you will receive a new remote, which is a bit weird because it's just a replacement box, but yet they've given me a new remote control. Just having a look, see how if it is actually brand new or used, but it is a brand new remote, and I think I would keep the new one and send the old remote back. At least I've got a new remote, as these, all the numbers and all the lettering does fade after a while, especially on my one. The menu button and the volume and page have all sort of faded, and I don't know if the camera is trying to focus on something there or not. There we go. You get another HDMI cable, which is a bit annoying for me, considering I've got like 30 of these laying around the house now, but you can never have too many HDMI cables. A brand new DC power brick, which I will be using. I will send back the old one as well, just in case. And there's the information if you want to pause it and have a look, if you want to find out what input and outputs you need. Just a standard 3-pin UK wall socket and the DC in there. You get an aerial coax cable as well, and it's a male to male lead, as you can see there. There is no connector in here in case you need a female to male lead. You do get brand new batteries, but these batteries here are useless. They went dead after a while. May have just been me, I'm not too sure. Anyone else has that issue, just let me know in the comments below. And you get another Ethernet cable. I don't know if this is new. It looks a bit roughed up to be a bit new. Don't know if anyone else can tell. It looks a bit crinkled. New cables don't come like that, so you should be able to tell by looking at these. Yeah, it looks like there's already some sort of fingerprints. Sorry about the flash in there for anyone with epilepsy. It looks like there's finger oils under here. So this is a used one, which I ain't bothered. I've got another 30 of these laying around the house and all. It's ridiculous. So that is everything you get in a replacement EETV box when yours goes faulty. If you're an existing EETV customer, you will get a replacement box. But I think it's by 2020 or 2021, EETV will no longer be a thing. From what I've been told by customer care, and it will only be the Apple TV they'll be doing. But in order to get that, you will need a mobile phone contract, which I'm not going to change my mobile phone provider. I'm happy with who I'm with. Anyhow, that is everything you get with a replacement box. Standard cardboard box, batteries. I'll go through everything again quickly. Batteries, male to male lead for the aerial, your actual EE box, brand new remote control, brand new DC power cable, which it could be used, I'm not too sure, but I'll send back the old one. Anyhow, a Ethernet cable and another HDMI cable. So yeah, that is everything you get with it, and I hope this video has been helpful. I know it's not a super long video and I've been away a long time, and this is the only video I've done in a while, but I have been so unwell and I've had a lot going on at the moment. So let's just get the focus down here. There we go. Anyhow guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know down below what you want to see next, or if you've got any recommendations for a video to do. But anyhow, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and take care and have a good summer if you're here in the UK.